In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate PDFs in Logseq. By the end, you'll have your PDF sitting neatly inside your notes, ready for highlights and comments that stay tied to the exact passages you care about. All you need is Logseq open and a PDF file on your computer. Start by opening Logseq. You can use your existing graph or create a new one if you're starting fresh. When Logseq launches, it loads your graph, which is just a folder of markdown files where your notes live. If this is your first time, you might see a prompt asking for file access. Allow it so Logseq can manage files like PDFs inside your graph's assets folder. A quick tip: keeping everything in a single graph helps your notes, links, and annotations stay connected. Next, open your journal. The journal is the daily notes page that Logseq creates automatically, and it's a convenient landing spot because anything you add here gets organized by date. You'll find journal in the left sidebar or at the top of the interface. You can use any page, but the journal makes it easy to capture what you read and think on the same day, and you can always move or link blocks later if you want them elsewhere. Inside the journal, click into an empty block so your cursor is ready to insert a command. Now, inside that page, type a / to bring up Logseq's command palette, then start typing upload an asset. As you type, the list narrows down. Choose upload an asset from the options. The / menu is a core Logseq skill. It lets you quickly insert content and structure without memorizing where buttons are. If the command doesn't appear, make sure your cursor is in a fresh block and that you're on the main editor area, not the sidebar. When the file picker opens, choose your PDF and click Open. Logseq will upload the file into your Graphs Assets folder and insert a block with the embedded PDF viewer. Give it a moment for larger files. You'll see the preview appear right on the page. From here, you can view the document, and depending on your setup, you'll notice annotation options tied to the viewer. As you work with the PDF, your highlights, page references, and notes can appear as linked blocks, keeping everything searchable and connected to the source. If you like, you can add a short description above the PDF, tag the block for a project, or create links to related notes to keep your research organized. That's it. You've opened Logseq, navigated to your journal, used the / menu to upload an asset, and selected your PDF so it's ready for annotation within your notes.